Hi guys, it's Shafi again and welcome back again to my channel. So today this is gonna be the second tutorial of our Facebook and Instagram marketing expert level course. And today we're gonna discuss one very important question, and that is why Facebook and Instagram ads are so important for your own business. So it's important to know the answer of this question for you as well, because you should know before what you are going to learn. So to support or to answer this question, I have got some amazing states, and then I will take you to the Facebook platform where I will show you some great and amazing success stories from the big brands, and I will show you how they use the Facebook or Instagram ads and how much they generated in terms of profit or revenue for their businesses. And at the end of this tutorial, I will also show you my own Facebook ads manager, and it will show you how much we generated for our clients and the return on ad spend as well. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial that we will be uploading over the course of next few days. So that you don't miss out on these important tutorials. So let's get into my screen. Okay guys, so these are some facts about Facebook or and Instagram ads. And after taking a look at these states and amazing facts, I'm sure you will say, yes, I'm going to run the Facebook or Instagram ads for my e-commerce store. So again, the same question, why you should use the Facebook or Instagram ads for your business. So, to support or to answer this question, let's take a look at the amazing states. So, the first one is gonna be there are 2.89 billion monthly active users on Facebook. So, it means this is the place where your potential customers hang out, okay? And it means you should have a strong social media, in short, Facebook or Instagram presence. And this way, you'll be able to capture these audiences. And the next one is there are 1 billion monthly active users on Instagram. I know the numbers on Instagram of active user is not as high as on Facebook, but again, this is a great place and a great opportunity, to capture that area as well when it comes to marketing, social media marketing for your business, for your e-commerce store or whatever. So you can target people on Instagram as well and get some sweet conversions. The next one is approximately 74% of Facebook users visit the site at least once daily. So now, looking at these big numbers of people visiting the Facebook website on a daily basis, it's really, really possible, for your customers or for your audience. And what if your ads pops up in their Facebook news feed and you get them converted? So again, that's a great opportunity for your business. The next one is almost 78% of American consumers say they have discovered the products on Facebook. So it means the 78% people said that they have discovered the products on Facebook. So it means they have bought those products on Facebook, either on Facebook or Instagram. So obviously, when you target people on both platforms, such as Instagram and Facebook, and you get sweet conversions. So the next one is the average cost per lead falls between $0 to $25. This is the average cost per lead. So if you're planning to run a lead generation campaign, I would definitely recommend to start from Facebook or Instagram, because in our last lead generation campaign we managed to achieve an amazing cost per lead, and that was $0.49 per lead, and those leads were of the highest quality. So You should take a look at our case study that I published almost a week ago, and we managed to achieve the cost per lead less than $1. And that's a great platform for lead generation if you are looking for some cheaper, low cost per lead, and yet of the highest quality leads. Okay, so the next one is the Facebook targeting capabilities. So Facebook ads can be targeted to people by location, age, gender, interest, demographics, behavior, and connections. So you can also use more advanced targeting tools like lookalike audiences, which I will teach you in this course as well. So which lets you target people similar to the people who already engage with your business, or you can layer your targeting options to select a more specific audience. So obviously you can target people, and this is the place where you can target your exact audience. If you know the gender, the age, the behavior, or the demographics of your audience. And of course, before running the Facebook or Instagram ads, you should have a customer avatar. If you don't know what's that, I may have a short tutorial on this topic as well after this course or within this course. But once you have the avatar, then you will be able to target these people on Facebook. And on the top of this, once you get data on your pixels or in terms of your email list, then you can actually create a lookalike audience. In that way, you will not need to again select the interest, demographics, behavior. Of course, you can do, but you don't need to do that when it comes to a lookalike audience. Okay. So then Facebook will find the audience um, exactly what you provide them. So, for example, if you provide Facebook a list of your email subscribers, then Facebook will go and search for the audiences that have a resemblance with your existing customers. So, this is a great place to target your exact customer, and that's why you will be able to generate great return on ad spend and maximize your profits. So the best part of Facebook and Instagram marketing is that you can start with as low as $5 daily budget and see the results. So now I'm going to take you to the Facebook platform where I will show you some great and amazing success stories of the big brands, and I will show you how they used the Facebook and Instagram ads for their own businesses and how much they generated using these kind of ads for their own businesses. Okay guys, so these are the success stories that I wanted to show you on the Facebook platform, and you can see there are a lot of big brands around the world who saw a success or using the Facebook or Instagram ads. So there are a lot of stories, and there is a strategy and great management behind these stories. Okay, so you can actually set the filters as well. You can find out the stories based on the business size, the Facebook ads objective, the industry, the product, or even you can search success story based on specific regions. So when you visit this you will see these kind of stories, and you can go through any of these success stories. But in this tutorial I have selected this great success story of the Gulimat, which is a great clothing store and has great products as well. So I will show you directly the strategy they used and implemented and the results. These are actually the results they managed to achieve using the Facebook ad campaigns. So what they saw was 2.28 increment in the website purchase value compared to previous campaigns, 16% increment in the return on ad spend, and 2.3 increment in website purchases compared to previous campaign. So these are the results they managed to achieve. Now let's go to the strategy they implemented on this campaign, and how they managed to achieve these results. Okay, so the clothing brand ran a conversion campaign on Facebook promoting its year-end sale and used the dynamic ads to reach people in Pakistan and other South Asian markets. Through dynamic ads in carousel format, Gul Ahmad displayed items that people were more likely to be interested in purchasing and then used the collection format to display a video and a selection of products in each ad. While the video highlighted products discounts, all the ads linked directly to the brand's own e-commerce store, where people could purchase the products they had seen. This made it seamless for people to discover new products and they did not have to leave Facebook to make a purchase. The campaign was broadly targeted to men and women in Pakistan with an interest in fashion. Gul Ahmad also retargeted ads to people who had visited its website and created a lookalike audience based on that audience to find more people who were likely to be interested in its products. To reach more people outside of Pakistan, the fashion retailer also used a multi-country lookalike audience, and this is the same lookalike audience we discussed when we were taking a look at the amazing stats about Facebook. So this was the strategy they implement, and now let's take a look at the results they managed to achieve after this campaign. So Gul Ahmad's 2-month campaign, which ran in October to November 2019, showed great results in not only increasing sales but also acquiring customers in new markets. So what did they saw was 2.2 increment in website purchase value compared to the previous campaigns, 16% increment in the return on ad spend, and 2.3% increase in the website purchase compared to previous campaigns. So this is the exact strategy they implemented and these are the results. Okay, so I have discussed only one brand. You can pick any of these brands and go through their strategy and take a look at the results they managed to achieve. And the best thing taking a look at these success stories is that you can learn a lot from their experience, from their strategies they implemented on Facebook to manage and to achieve these great results. So there are tons of success stories, and take a look at this success stories on the Facebook platform. You can simply search for the Facebook success stories and you will be good to land on this landing page and then pick the brand of your own choice and go through their strategy and all of other things as well. So now I'm taking you to some of the screenshots from my Facebook Ads Manager so as to show you. So these are actually the results that we have achieved in the past, and I want to show you. I want to start from the screenshots of the this is the first screenshot that I want to show you, and this is the return on ad spend we managed to achieve, and this is the conversion value, which is $2,685. Okay, and this is one screenshot. Now let's take a look at others as well. This is another screenshot from my Facebook Ads Manager, and these are the return which we managed to achieve. The return on ad spend 10.97 cents, 8,231 purchase value. So the next one is an amazing story. Okay, take a look at these results. The conversion value we managed to achieve was $5,855, and the cost per result was 3.13, and the leads we managed to achieve through this campaign were 615 leads, and the average return we managed to achieve on ads was 3.04 cents. So the best thing for this campaign was this was actually a lead generation campaign. We were simply getting people to sign up, and after that they would go to the store or this website and hopefully they made great purchases. So as you can see, the lead generation campaign gave us 5,855 revenue. So our lead generation cost was already covered. And I hope this helps and may have enticed you to run the Facebook or Instagram ads for your own brand. So this is how we generated this big number of profits for our clients and the result and the return on ad spend as well. So I hope this has been a super helpful tutorial for you. And once again, be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on important tutorials that we will be uploading over the course of next few days. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up so as to support this tutorial and help more and more people watch this tutorial on the YouTube. So if you have got any question, I'm ready to answer. Just ask your question in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.